In the event you don't want to use a VNS3 overlay network, there are a few additional steps required to allow VNS3 to act as a gateway for Azure Virtual Network subnets. Remember that even if you decide not to use an overlay network, you still need to define the overlay network address space as part of your initialization process. So be sure to choose the address space that does not overlap with your Azure Virtual Network CIDR or remote network you plan on connecting to. We'll need to create a new Azure Route Table and enable IP forwarding for the VNS Controller VM. We'll start by creating a route table. Click Add. We'll enter a name. And associate it with our resource group. Click Create. Once the route table deploys, you can click on the name. Click All Settings. And over here you'll be able to edit the routes. Click Add. We'll enter a route name and address. And the address prefix for this example will be 172.16.0.0/24. Next hop type will be Virtual Appliance. And the next hop address we'll enter as the Azure private IP address for your VNS3 controller. So that's 10.0.0.4. Click OK. Subnets here. Click Associate. We'll choose a virtual network, our VNS3 network. Choose the default subnet and click OK. And finally, you need to enable IP forwarding for the VNS3 VM. Enabling IP forwarding allows the VNS3 controller to pass traffic where it's neither the source nor the destination of the packet. So this allows VNS3 to act as a gateway. At the moment, IP forwarding is only controllable via PowerShell. So if you go to the link in our documentation, it will take you to Azure documentation for IP forwarding. Under Support, Documentation, there's also setup guides for Azure Resource Manager that we just went through, Classic Setup, or Image Delivery if you need a private VNS3. Next, go through configuration and administration guides and make sure to watch the videos.